as we're getting to know each other a little bit, or more like you getting to know me through these videos and getting to know me, I thought I would explain to you, for the people who care, a little bit about how I got into the land business. So I went to law school and tried various jobs, but ultimately landed in estate planning, which I did enjoy. I helped people administer their trusts in states and in probate, and it was very challenging at times, but I did like it because it was helping people make a plan for their future and helping them prepare ahead of time, especially with the drafting trust and helping people through that process, um, so that when the inevitable came, there was less stress in a stressful situation. And I also dealt with families who hadn't planned ahead of time, or different things happened, or there was something that was left out of the trust. And so we had to go through the probate process, and I tried to help them work through that process. And what I would come across often were these estates that had vacant parcels of land in them. And it became tricky. Sometimes the property was in a different state, and we had to work through deeding the property over and get that process going. So I started to come across more and more these estate plans that had vacant parcels in them. And at first I wondered, what in the world do people do with 5 acres in the middle of nowhere? And I started studying it a little bit more and found out that there was a whole it was a way to make money in real estate, was to buy and sell vacant parcels of land. So that's kind of how I got into it. And then I did more research into different podcasts, and I learned about the business and how to do the business. And then from there, it's been a bumpy road, up and down. Starting a new business, it's been challenging and good and exciting and discouraging and all those feelings in between. But that's a little bit about how I got into the land business. And we're here to serve you and help you find the land of your dreams.